Hello everybody, today I got my new Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and I will unbox it together with you. This is the bag that I got from my mobile phone operator. I got it through my phone operator with return of my old phone. Phone operator is KT in South Korea. So inside the bag, of course, we have the box with the phone. And then we have some more presents that were given to me, and these presents are from both the operator and Samsung as far as they told me. So what we have here, we have an adapter, a charger with a USB-C cable. As you can see, I got as a present from the operator. And then we get this keychain, I guess, from Galaxy. And then we got also stickers that says Galaxy S25 meets AI. Some cute stickers, I guess. Then what more do we have? We have a notebook. And then we have some hot bag for the cold weather outside. These are all the presents that I got. And also I got a phone case. You can see here. And then I got a screen protector for my phone. Then let's see what's inside the box and just put this away. Inside the box you can see it's a simple black box, as it was the same with S23 and 24. Here we have Galaxy S25. When we open the box, the phone is inside. My phone is in pretty ice blue color. Here is the phone. There was a protector before, a hand display protector, but we removed it and put a screen protector. Here is the phone. We can unlock it. You can see the weather. They have a lot of widgets. They have integrated AI with every other menu, so I'm really curious how that works. So if you want more on the AI part of Samsung Galaxy S25, leave comments what you want to see and please subscribe to the channel. Then here is the box. You can see inside the box we have one more black thing. I'm not sure what's that. And when you open, you have the key for the SIM card. And then if we open this one, we can see a charging cable. There is no adapter that comes together with the phone. We only get the charging cable and the SIM card unlocking device. And then we get instructions how to change the SIM card. Not very important right now. We put the box away. And here is the phone, very beautiful in blue. I'm really curious what are the new AI functionalities inside the phone. If you want to learn more about them, please leave a comment with what you want to learn about and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.